Robin, what do you got for a stock of the day? Then I got one we should probably maybe take a look at.
Okay, I've got one. It's Deckers, D-E-C-K. Now, the retailers are doing very well. They make their biggest product are the Uggs boots, and mostly they sell to women, but now they have a new marketing campaign with Tom Brady because they brought out men's Uggs, and they're also doing extremely well in Europe. Now, the stock's run up quite a bit, but I still think it's got room to go. I mean, if you go in any of the department stores, Uggs are everywhere. If you go on a college campus, every single college girl you see has a pair of Uggs on their feet. And actually, the men's, Kramer's been touting the men's slippers for what that's worth. He wears them around on his show. But
that would mean I would never wear them.
The stock's up a lot, but I was reading some articles on it after I saw a lot of Uggs in the stores over the weekend. And they're expanding to Europe, so I still think it's got some room to go. So if you're looking for retail stock, look at Deckers, D-E-C-K.
Have you been following this the disaster in his Dendrian lately?
No, I haven't. I don't watch that. I don't know that stock at all.
Well, these are the guys that had that prostate drug, Provenge, and we had positions in there forever, and the stock got and it was couldn't go anywhere. There was all kinds of rumors of these are the guys that had the preliminary FDA approval, like 13-0 their way, and then the full panel turned them down, and then it was being sold in Europe and blah blah blah. And it supposedly worked for people, and then the stock finally gets approved. It trades like 35 to 45 for a couple of years, drops down to 13, and now it's trading like 8 this morning.
No, I don't know anything. That's the problem with some of these drug companies. They're like binary events. I mean, you get an approval like the Vivis. I mean, one day it's 12. It's either going to be 6 the next day or it's going to be 26.
Well, they have no gross margin in the thing, even though they charge a fortune for it. The gross margin from quarter 2 to quarter 3 went from 42% to 10. I'm not saying buy it, but do a little history on this Dendrian. I mean, stock's trading like $7.97 at some point here, and they do have a drug that's for real. Somebody's going to want that drug.